Greetings, everyone. I'm Joe Korah, co-founder and president of Impaqtive, and this is an exciting day for all of us. We are thrilled to announce that Impaqtive is now part of Infogain, and I have with me industry stalwarts, Praveen, co-founder and CEO of Impaqtive, and Nishith, who had strategy and studios for Infogain, joining me to talk to us about our vision for the future together. Praveen, can you provide a brief overview of Impaqtive and its journey leading up to this acquisition for our viewers?
Thanks, Joe. Impaqtive is a boutique exclusively focused on Salesforce services. It's a summit partner for Salesforce. It's the highest partnership tier. Impaqtive was started during COVID days. It was conceptualized in COVID, started in 2021, and with a primary focus to help clients drive a return on their Salesforce investments. Because as founders, we realized that Salesforce economy was suffering in a way by this gap between demand and supply when it came to talent. So we led with the supply, creating that talent pool and focusing clearly on how to help clients do enterprise transformation using Salesforce, help grow the revenue, drive the cost down, build better ROI. And that's how Impaqtive started with that focus, building customer portfolios, growing in partnership stature, and eventually building a very strong workforce of more than 150 able Salesforce consultants serving clients across United States, Cayman Islands, and India.
So, Nishith, can you share a bit about Infogain's vision and what motivated the acquisition of Impaqtive?
Yeah, thank you. So, very exciting that we've reached the point where the two companies are coming together. Infogain has been driving in the digital economy all the revenue generating systems for its customers. And that is what we've been doing successfully in both the B2C and the B2B space in high tech, in travel, retail, and CPG industries. Salesforce has been a dominant partner in that space. And we really think that with Impaqtive coming together, with Infogain, with Impaqtive's capabilities, we will be able to drive a large Salesforce-led transformation for our customers.
What synergies do you see between Impaqtive's expertise in Salesforce and Infogain's broader service offerings?
If you look at Infogain's business, right, Infogain designs and builds primarily intelligent platforms that unlocks meaningful experiences for customers, right? So it's interactions between businesses and their end customers. Now, if you really look at this carefully, it has a component of customer experience. It has a component of AI and data. That's how you can unlock meaningful experiences. And it has to be done on a platform. Now, if you look at the leading platform for customers, customer data, customer experiences, it is Salesforce. And that's the missing piece of the puzzle. And that's brought in by Impaqtive. And that's the primary synergy between the two companies.
What are the benefits that you foresee for your clients as a result of this acquisition?
Yeah, I can take that. So, colloquially speaking, 1 + 1 = 3 is how I would put it. So at Infogain, we already had built up a Salesforce practice, and we were really not multi-cloud. We were focused on certain clouds. But now with the multi-cloud practice coming from Impaqtive, as well as a lot of the advisory capacity that you bring, advisory talent that you bring, I think together, when we are talking to the CMOs and the line of business leaders at our customers, Infogain and Impaqtive together will be a big powerhouse.
And I think Nishith answered it quite well. I'll just add on it, Joe. With this acquisition, Impaqtive get this deeper capabilities to scale, especially when it comes to building more talent, also deploying talent across multiple geographies, and ability to leverage Infogain's infrastructure to drive more innovation around multiple technologies. In my opinion, that will bring significant benefits both to Infogain's clients as well as Impaqtive clients. And that's where Nishith is very right when he says 1 + 1 is equal to 3.
Yeah. And it's not only about Salesforce technologies. At Infogain, we bring a lot of integration capability. We bring a lot of data and AI capability. And we have a very large experience design setup as well. So when we combine these capabilities, the customer will now see a full end-to-end from business advisory through to experience design, through to implementation of Salesforce and multi-cloud, etc. And then taking the data that is sitting in these platforms and putting all the AI from Einstein, etc., on top of that to deliver the real KPIs and the business performance and the business performance agents that the customers are now looking for.
So, Nishith, how will this acquisition influence Infogain's approach to adopting and integrating new technologies?
Yeah. So at Infogain, we have been specializing in customers' front office systems. So we've been doing a lot of work where our clients, how they get their prospect conversion to become customers, how they engage with their customers and do things like loyalty programs and customer service on an ongoing basis, and then e-commerce and overall, post-purchase service, etc. These have been the spaces in which Infogain has built expertise. We've been doing that with a lot of custom solutions and data-based CDP platforms. Now, with Salesforce coming in, the Salesforce systems are already have a large sort of footprint at our customers. So when we combine our capabilities and our strengths with the capabilities that Impaqtive brings, we will be able to deliver end-to-end solutions to our clients. And those end-to-end solutions in the front office space will be all the way from multi-channel, omni-channel touch points, all the way back into how the consumer continues to interact and have engagement, and all the way through to post-sales service as well. And this will cover across industries. We think of B2C customers. We have a large base of B2B customers as well. And all of them are looking at replacing their old legacy custom-built solutions with the new age solutions that are coming from Salesforce. So Salesforce now has a very strong sort of CDP platform underlying it. And on top of that, there's an Einstein AI engine as well. So if you put all of these things together, the end-to-end story for a front office can be very easily built along the Salesforce platform, along with sort of custom integrations with their ERP solutions, or maybe custom-built experience design systems, which are really enticing for their end customers.
What excites you about this new chapter for Impaqtive and Infogain?
Joe, I'll say what I'm most excited about is this acquisition is happening at a time just perfect when it came to when the AI is taking over the world. So I'm just most excited about going to the clients, combining the AI capabilities along with our Salesforce capabilities to deliver the best of the return on their investments.
Yeah. And Joe, what I would say is that, again, it is at a time when AI can only be done when there's a strong platform. And with Salesforce platform capabilities out there, we will be able to deliver to our customers the best experience.
So on closing, do you have any final thoughts on or messages that you'd like to share with your teams, clients, and stakeholders about this exciting acquisition?
And I would just say that for our customers as well as for our employees, Infogain is on a path, and that path is to become the leader in helping its customers go digital in the front office. And that's where we're going, and all of these capabilities coming together will help us in positioning ourselves accordingly. And it'll be immense value for our customers and our employees.
Joe, I excited, and I would say we are quite lucky to have found each other. Both companies have very high aspirations, very similar value systems and philosophy when it comes to customers, technology, innovation, and employees. So this marriage, for want of any better word, could lead to significantly scaled capabilities, innovation that our clients would always expect from us. And for our teams, it can present a lot of new career opportunities, exciting prospects. So when clients and teams are satisfied, it can create significant shareholder value. So that's what we are aspiring for. That's what we'll be working for, and that's what I'm sure we will achieve. Thank you.
Yeah, and on closing thoughts, it's been a great dialogue. We at Impactive are very excited to be part of Infogain and gaining that muscle. And we believe that we'll be a huge scale and value multiplier for Infogain, and we look forward to this new journey together. Thank you all.